Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use peer-to-peer payment features in your bank's app Venmo. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Venmo allows you to send money to friends, family or trusted people instantly using their email, phone number or Venmo username. To do it, first what you need to do is download the Venmo. To do it, head over to the App Store and on the search bar type in Venmo, and then once the search result loads, simply tap on the app, then tap on the get button right here to download the app. Then once you're there, sign up if you haven't created an account, or simply tap on log into the Venmo account. Then once logged in, what you need to do is link your bank account or card. To do is simply tap on the menu or tap on the card section on the bottom of your screen. Then here, or simply tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, which lets you inside the settings option. Then inside settings, what you need to do is select payment methods, and once you're inside your payment methods, add your bank account or debit or credit card. Follow the instructions to verify your account, and using a bank account or debit card avoids extra fees. The next is to tap on pay or request button right here on the bottom of the screen, and then enter the email, phone number or Venmo username. Then enter in the amount and add a note if you want, and once that's done, simply tap on pay and check the details and confirm the payment. The recipient usually gets the money instantly, and if you want to request money, simply head over back to your home screen, then tap on pay or request once again, then enter in the person's email, phone number or username, then enter the amount, and then tap on request. Only request money from people you know and trust. Then if you want to check the transaction history, simply head over back to the home screen and then tap on me icon or tap on the settings, and here inside the settings select transaction history, and you can see all the sent and received payments. Always verify the amount and recipient. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.